What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about something that's been a complete game changer for me. It is the Conair garment steamer. And I was never really a steamer guy at all. You know, I was the iron guy. So I would iron all of my clothes. I had an ironing board, all of that. It's all been replaced by this because it is just that good. So the device itself is not all that big, I would say. This stays, under my sink in my bathroom. You know, it's not all that big. It's easy to use as well. So you have your little reservoir down here with your water in it. Super easy to take that out, no problem. You can fill it up, you can put it right back in. It's super, super easy. As far as controls go, there is one main power button on the back here. And then there's a steam button as well as a setting button. And I'll show you what that setting button does. There is also a crease kind of holder. So if you have something like trousers or something like that, you can put the crease into here and it's going to hold that crease while you do your steaming, which is nice. Of course, your steam's gonna come out of this end. So now when it's ready to go, you can see that this is lit up red. And then if we hit the setting, you can see we can change the intensity setting up and down if we want to. So we'll put it all the way up. And I have my nice little dress shirt right here. And all you do is you just hit the steam button here. And it starts to steam. And of course, we can get those wrinkles out of this shirt quite easily. And that's one thing I really liked about this one is that it actually really works. Like I've tried some friends' steamers before and they just don't get wrinkles out, especially dress shirts. That's mainly what I use this for, And as you can see, most of those wrinkles on this top part of the shirt are already gone. So it's just super easy to use, easy to refill. It's not all that big, so it's easy to store as well. So that's why I really like this steamer. I'll go ahead and put this back down here. And of course we can just turn it off. And you turn it off and you're good to go. So if you are looking for a steamer or something to really replace, a traditional iron, this is definitely it. It has, replaced the irons that I've used in the past and I don't think I'm gonna be going back.